Chapter 7. Human Resources. Human resources. Human resources refer to the collective abilities, skills, knowledge, and potential of individuals within a society or organization. In the Indian context, human resources are crucial for economic development, social progress, and national prosperity. The aggregate skills, knowledge, and capabilities of individuals contributing to the productive capacity of an organization or a nation. Human resources includes skilled workforce, engineers, doctors, IT professionals contributing to various sectors, labor force, workers engaged in agriculture, manufacturing, and services, intellectual capital, researchers, educators, and scientists driving innovation and education. Classification of human resources. Human resources can be classified in different ways. Some people are skilled, having special training, or unskilled, doing simple tasks. They may work in formal jobs, with rules and fixed pay, or informal jobs, like small shops. People also work in urban areas, cities, or rural areas, villages. Skilled and unskilled. Skilled human resources possess specialized knowledge and training relevant to specific industries or professions, enhancing their productivity and value in the workforce. For example, engineers and IT professionals require technical expertise acquired through formal education and training. In contrast, unskilled human resources typically perform manual or repetitive tasks without specialized training, such as agricultural laborers or construction workers. Formal and informal. Formal human resources are employed under structured organizations with clear employment terms, benefits, and legal protections. Examples include employees of multinational corporations or government agencies. In contrast, informal human resources work in sectors lacking formal contracts or legal protections, such as domestic workers, street vendors, or day laborers. Urban and rural. Urban human resources are concentrated in cities and metropolitan areas, offering diverse employment opportunities in industries like finance, technology, and services. These individuals often contribute to economic growth and innovation in urban centers. Rural human resources, on the other hand, are based in agricultural or small-scale industrial settings, where employment opportunities may be limited and focused on traditional sectors like farming, handicrafts, or local services. Types of human resources. Technical skills. Technical human resources possess expertise in specific technical fields essential for industries such as engineering, information technology, IT, and healthcare. Engineers apply scientific knowledge to design and construct infrastructure or develop new technologies. IT professionals manage computer systems and software applications critical for business operations. Healthcare professionals include doctors, nurses, and technicians who provide medical services and contribute to public health. Professional skills. Professionals in human resources include individuals trained in management, law, finance, and other specialized fields. Management professionals oversee organizational operations, strategic planning, and resource allocation. Legal experts provide legal counsel and ensure compliance with regulations. Finance professionals manage financial resources, investments, and financial planning for organizations. Soft skills. Soft skills are interpersonal and behavioral competencies essential for effective communication, leadership, and teamwork in diverse workplace environments. Communication skills enable individuals to convey ideas clearly and collaborate effectively with colleagues. Leadership skills involve motivating teams, making decisions, and guiding organizational goals. Teamwork skills foster cooperation, problem solving, and achieving shared objectives in group settings. Disadvantages of human resources in India. Skill shortages, disparities in education and training leading to shortages in critical sectors. Underemployment, misalignment of skills with job requirements leading to inefficiencies. Brain drain, migration of skilled professionals to other countries for better opportunities. Conservation of human resources in India. Education and skill development. Promoting vocational training and higher education. Enhancing quality and accessibility of education across regions. Employment policies. Implementing inclusive policies to reduce unemployment and underemployment. Encouraging entrepreneurship and self-employment opportunities. Health and well-being. Enhancing healthcare facilities and promoting healthy lifestyles. Ensuring workplace safety and welfare measures. Women and youth empowerment. Promoting gender equality and empowering women in the workforce. Engaging youth in skill development programs and entrepreneurship. Human resource management, HRM. The strategic approach to managing an organization's most valuable assets, its people, is essential to achieve organizational goals effectively. Human resources are the backbone of India's socio-economic progress. Effective management and conservation of these resources are essential for achieving sustainable development goals and ensuring a prosperous future.